Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to go back or swipe back to the previous menu on your iPhone. So this is a trick on your iPhone where if you're going through the settings menu and you want to go back, so instead of pressing back at the top, you can just use the swipe gesture to go back. So as an example here, if I go into general and if I want to go back to settings, I can just swipe left, I'll go back to settings. Again, if I go into standby, swipe left, I can go back. If you're really deep into a menu, say for example like this, you can go ahead and swipe multiple times until you reach the main menu. So there you go guys, that is how to go back or swipe back to the previous page on your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.